Twinning is a place where teachers get together. They work on projects and create many beautiful things. Twinning means creation, using your imagination, working with other teachers and your students too. Twinning is for you and me.
How many learnings did I to complete? So what to find some friends? And how many projects you have to prepare in order to be part somewhere? In how many teachers' rooms to participate? And how many contacts to adorn? Yes, in how many groups your profile must to update before you feel very strong? The answer, my friend, can be found by your own, and it will us never alone. How many partners you have to find, in which webinars to be involved? And if you feel lost in your desktop and blind, how can your problems to be solved? How many tasks you have to prepare in order the project be complete? And how many nights you must walk to repair that in your schedule exists? The answer, my friend, it is to be seen. It makes the freedom we believe.
In the land where all we live, children learn in a funny way. Teachers help them what to do. Schools are closer, me and you. So we talk and work online. Great events all the time. Europe is a great next home. People projects make me grow. Eating with our land, ing, double N, ing, double N, ing. Eating with our land, ing, double N, ing, double N, ing. And we are all happy friends, one from here, one from there, so we start singing aloud. Eating with our land, ing, double N, ing, double N, ing. Eating with our land, ing, double N, ing, double N, ing. As the project's going on, every one of us gives all we know. We make parties, chants and songs, in twinning, that's in row. Eating with our land, ing, double N, ing, double N, ing. Eating with double N, ing, double N, ing, double N, ing. Eating with double N, ing, double N, ing, double N, ing. Eating